When the weather outside is frightful, your skin definitely requires something more than delightful. Winter brings along dry skin, itchiness, and everything that makes your skin feel uncomfortable. And it isn't your fault. No matter how much you layer up with skincare products, the weather gets to you. The only thing you can do is double up on the moisture and let that protect and nourish your skin. After hours of research and after taking experts' advice, we have listed the 10 best moisturizer for winter to help you choose the one that suits you perfectly. The links for the products mentioned in the video are in the description below. You could also find a more detailed analysis and a comparison tool on our website, pickadvisor.com. Let's get right into our top picks. Number 10. Peter Thomas Roth Water Drench. You couldn't pick a better name for this moisturizer if you tried. This moisturizer from Peter Thomas Roth quite literally drenches your skin with moisture. After a long dry winter, our skin usually feels hellish. In this scenario, a heavier than usual moisturizing regimen is needed. The Water Drench Cloud Cream works by unlocking precious moisture into your skin and also boosts your hydration. This means that with long-term use, you will feel the benefit of the cream long after stopping daily use. For people who have tried everything, yet can't keep their faces hydrated, they will do the trick. Hormones, harsh weather, and stress can cause your skin to feel almost scaly. During these times, the Peter Thomas Roth Moisturizer and some dietary changes are your only saviors. Number 9. TULA Skincare 24/7 Moisture. Next up, we have 24/7 Moisture Hydrating Day and Night Cream from TULA. This one is yet another winner for women who want a moisturizer suitable both for daily use and for use as a night cream. As a daily moisturizer, the cream offers just enough moisture to keep your skin hydrated for a day. However, we found that it gives the best results from nighttime use. Apply a small layer of cream despite the somewhat thick consistency. The cream blends in very quickly and heads out to dreamland. By morning, the results will be visible. You'll appear to have just woken from the deepest, most restful slumber of all time. Your facial skin will appear supple and even, and the ever-annoying dark circles around your eyes will fade away. To sum it up, TULA has delivered a no-brainer for women looking for a budget-friendly nighttime moisturizer. If only it would be as efficient during the day. Number 8. IT Cosmetics Confidence in a Cream Facial Moisturizer. The name says it all. Confidence in a cream. Well, in 2019, it was one of the top-selling anti-aging moisturizers in the US. So, is the hype justified? We will see. You'll notice that IT Cosmetics Confidence in a Cream has a very soft, silky texture that glides onto skin easily, which is thanks to high concentrations of silicons and synthetic emollients. For instance, there's a decent amount of silicons like cyclopentasiloxane and dimethicone, as well as emollients like ethylhexyl isononanoate and hydrogenated polyisobutene. These ingredients enhance the texture of the product and also provide a few benefits to the skin. Both ingredients help the skin retain moisture, and silicons can even disguise the appearance of lines and wrinkles while also moisturizing the appearance of pores. IT Cosmetics Confidence in a Cream tackles lines and wrinkles with a powerful anti-aging ingredient, Matrixyl 3000. In case you aren't familiar with this ingredient, it's the trademark peptide that's made up of 2 metrikines. In a nutshell, despite being marketed for a senior crowd, women of all ages can and should use this moisturizer. Wrinkles and fine lines do not get a lot of talk among younger women, but that doesn't mean that they're not an issue. Luckily, an issue that can easily be dealt with. Overall, we think that IT Cosmetics Confidence in a Cream has a nice texture and contains a good blend of beneficial ingredients. Number 7. Weleda Skin Food. This stuff is magical, and it can be your best friend during the long winter months. If you have naturally dry skin, you'll be looking for a rich moisturizer that you can slather on at night and wake up with smooth, non-flaky skin the next morning. This moisturizer is the most hydrating we've tried and goes on velvety smooth. When you're in the mountains, you can frequently apply some before going outside during the day to protect your sensitive skin from cold air and windburn. Number 6. Sunday Riley C.E.O. Vitamin C Rich Face Moisturizer. One of the newer products to the Sunday Riley collection, Afterglow is the ideal moisturizer if you're looking for rich hydration without a product feeling too heavy on your face. Don't be fooled by the gel cream description. The moisturizer is ideal for all skin types, even sensitive, acne-prone, and those who experience extreme dryness, as it provides lasting hydration throughout the day or night. Thanks to the vitamin C within it, you're sure to notice a huge difference in your complexion and skin tone within 7 days. Number 5. Belif the True Cream Moisturizing Balm. This dermatologist-tested cult product has been ranked as the #1 best-selling K-beauty product in Korea's competitive beauty market. And honestly, it has something for everyone. Beauty buffs swear by its moisturizing superpowers, which have the ability to deeply nourish angry, peeling skin and to balance oily complexions. The formula also feels yummy. It bursts onto the skin and delivers a surge of hydration that'll keep you radiant for up to 26 hours. Number 4. CeraVe Moisturizing Cream. We believe everyone should have a jar of this in their skincare collection. It's a neutral product that will always have your back and restore your skin barrier whenever you need it to. If you experience a lot of dryness, redness, itchy skin or eczema, this CeraVe lotion is a must. It's super nourishing because it's full of ceramides and healing lipids. You might find the rich cream is ideal for your night cream, but it can also be used during the day. Number 3. ELEMIS Pro-Collagen Marine Cream SPF 30. You know that algae are amazing for your skin, right? More and more luxury skincare brands are using marine plants as key ingredients, and ELEMIS is no exception. The key ingredient in this light cream is a Mediterranean sea plant called Padina pavonica, a plant with proven anti-aging benefits. In plain terms, the plant will not only moisturize, but also visibly de-age your skin. Wrinkles, fine lines, reduced skin plasticity, all these common signs of aging will be targeted with this cream from ELEMIS. Yes, it is the most expensive product on the list, but it will pay off. A little goes a long way, and a tiny bottle will last for ages. Number 2. First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream. Dry and sensitive skin will love this hydrating facial cream for good reasons, and we can think of at least 4. Protective colloidal oatmeal, fatty acid-packed shea butter, smoothing allantoin, and a special antioxidant booster designed to ward off environmental aggressors. Although this cream has a range of scents, we love mango, which keep the dream of sandy, sun-soaked beaches alive in the dreary winter months. What's more, it's effective for all skin types. First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream is a rich moisturizer that gives immediate and long-term hydration to parched and stressed out skin. It can be used morning and night, or as needed. Best for normal to dry and sensitive skin. Whether you have dry skin year-round or just need something for cold winter weather, this is the intensive moisturizer that I recommend. It's thick and rich without feeling greasy or sticky, and it readily absorbs into your skin instead of sitting on the surface. We love that it contains barrier-repairing stearic acid, plus stable emollients that give it a much longer shelf life than creams loaded with seed oils. There's also a 0.5% colloidal oatmeal to relieve itching and irritation. Number 1. Tatcha the Water Cream. The skin of your dreams might be used to going into hibernation during the winter months, but give yourself a glow up with this lightweight yet hydrating face cream. It's made with powerful Japanese botanical like wild rose and leopard lily that tighten pores, smooth texture, balance oils, get rid of dullness, and boost cell turnover to up your glow. A moisturizer is an essential step of a skincare routine. Hey, even that is an understatement. Moisturizers can make or break the success of your daily beauty routine. It can also be the difference between aging fast and keeping a youthful glow well until your 60s and even beyond. Moisturizing is key to looking beautiful, both in the now and in the future. What? You've never used a moisturizer before? Moisturizer makes you look all oily? No biggie, there are moisturizers suitable for everyone. However, getting the best moisturizer for winter is quite challenging when you have plenty of models available on the market with a decent design and innovative features. All the products mentioned above are a perfect blend of versatility and innovation, providing the users the best-in-class experience. Choose wisely which product suits you the best and will fulfill all your requirements. Let us know in the comments which model works for you the best and why. Thank you for watching the video, and that is all for this one. If you find this video helpful in any way, give a huge thumbs up. Stay tuned for the upcoming videos by subscribing to our channel. See you guys in the next one.